Yo, Chef Young better than everything we're bad, and we madder than everything we're mad. Next setups represent for Chef Young. Straight, you know the badness. Boom, you know.
I mean, I said the marker represent for Chef Young. If you now watch Chef Young thing, you now watch nothing hear that. Them marker say that. Oh no.
Chef Young, you know badness going on, man. The maddest and the sickest, you know. London.
Everybody here, if you got a cell phone, I need you to turn your cell phone light on. I'm gonna play my song tonight. I see that all the cell phone lights on right now. Everybody turn your cell phone light on. I like it. Shine the light on me, man. Get that fucking light up. Jump that shit. Where's your light? Where's your light? Where's the fucking light?
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. That's my heart.
What's up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What's up? MC Crazy Christian. What's up? Let's go! Don't get it twisted, I'm the craziest motherfucker out here. That's right. That's right. It's been a fucking minute. Jackie, what up?
Shorty like the way that I ball out. I be getting money
Andy,
time
what
ball
up?
out.
I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I swear to God, I haven't been to Rebel in a long fucking time. I'm talking about it. 6 months I haven't been to Rebel, but I miss this motherfucking club, man. Growing up, it was in this motherfucking club. And look at me now. But fuck all of that. Everybody who's here to turn the fuck up tonight, make some motherfucking noise. If you had at least one drink tonight, put your fucking hand up for me right now. If you're here to turn up and see Burna Boy tonight, make some fucking noise. But, you see, before my brother comes out here, he has to fucking have my crowd live. So people, I need y'all to be live as a motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? I need y'all to wind the fuck up, cause yo, y'all know Burna Boy is a crazy motherfucker, right? So, all my Afrobeats motherfuckers, make some Right there, Corrupt, who takes the party tonight? Make me money, na 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 na. How much money? Money. We make the money, rush. Right there.
Embarrassment for Agbalagba. You never consider we find carpenter. It's a funny acting, so you're on camera.
We flexing big tonight. We flexing big tonight. There's some Caribbeans in the building. Alright. Let me see what I got. We can't get out. We've been wearing this. Hold on a second. I write this one like this.
Hey, myself, that boss represents spaceship Billy. Yeah, man, say, yo, you know the thing, man, kick it off like a man. Spaceship Billy. Play this Billy.
We're the Caribbean crew side. What we tell you?
Hey, I bet the fuck up in your...
What we going like this?
Spaceship.
What?
Jeff. Billy. I bet the killer in your... Stop. Singer. Spaceship. In your... That's up and over, so we rock it, so we super liquor.
Girl, the wine is so in. Huh? Sing the tune, what? So if you know about a tune like that, I must be a tune like this. What? We tell you. If you know about that tune, say pull up. Boom, boom, nigga. Tell me about Jesus Christ. Don't you know what family I need that? Welcome to Party Inside Toronto tonight. We're not playing no games in here. Team up. Let me see if I can sing a tune like this. Alright then. Let's Toronto. Let me see if I can sing a tune like this. Put me on the title. Where my Nicky from?
Eviction, this one, yeah, it's a manga edition. See them, yeah, they're eviction. Them say them sitting tight, I'm their fiction. No one know a bit, but it's
Boy fans in here make some noise. I'm talking real Burna Boy fans. I'm gonna test you. Let me see if you know about a tune like this. How we going? How we going? How we going? Right, we're going somewhere right this, like this. Where my sexy ladies inside? One, two, three. Woo. That's what it is when you're sitting on. But listen, let me tell you the real honest truth. This is the real girl them tune. If you don't know, you have to get to know. Who's drinking tonight? Alright. And don't many other artists make so many girl tunes that we make.
If you want to make a ginger, you need to rock and rock. If you want to make a ginger, give me
and like I said, we in the fucking building tonight. And the first thing we do anytime we touch down, let me tell you what happens when we touch down.
yeah, touchdown on Sunday.
Right. Give me the vibe right now. Give me the vibe right now. Give me the vibe right now. Love my crew that know about shit like this. When we touch down, hey. Listen, we got a bit of the fucking energy inside here tonight. How you mean? I said, Toronto, we got a bit of the fucking energy inside here tonight. Give it the vibe, 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 give it the vibe. Somebody say DJ, we wanna build it. Alright, DJ, we wanna. We live in the building tonight. We're gonna play some fucking tune like this. Yes, sir. Everybody stand Spaceship boy, we don't even sing happy birthday, we just play a song like this. Here we go, what? Champion. No sign of weakness. Alright. Toronto, how we feeling tonight? 1, 2. Baby, come on. Who celebrated Valentines last week? Who enjoyed Valentines? I know some of you might just have to drop it. Some of you dropped it, I know. We don't cause last night. Let everybody go to breakfast. It happens. But when it happens, what are you going to do? You have to bow for it. You go bow for the sun. We got a part into the stars. But I think in my life, you found them down. I want to do. I know, bro. I never. I can say, bye-bye, you. Don't cry, you. Jack, you. Jack, you. Jack, you. We got a special request. If there's anyone that's got fucking backwoods in the backwoods in the fucking crowd, we ready to buy that shit. But furthermore, yo, who got the members in the city right now for the fucking team? Who got that shit? Toronto, let me hear you sing this one time. 1, 2. What? Yeah, What? Everybody sing. Toronto, we in the city. 2 nights. We sold out the Saturday, we sold out the Sunday. Spaceship Way. Anybody that knows this song, I want to hear you sing it. 1, So we say, keep on going.
Plenty so far with just to make sure money day. I know one guy, I know one thing. I want enjoy, I want jump, I want brand, I want feel nice. I still want to know everything. All the way, we got it, ride the foot, on the feet, die for nothing. My nigga, what's it going? G-Wagon, all the way.
We party inside Toronto tonight. How we do it?
I
to